Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve dynamics numerical number 3.3. How much force is needed to prevent a body of mass 10 kg from falling? Solution. Given data, M is equal to 10 kg, G is equal to 10 meter per second. We know the gravitational acceleration for free falling bodies. Force required is equal to the weight. So W F is equal to W is equal to mg, which is equal to 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 Newton. Force required F is equal to 100 Newton. Next numerical is find the acceleration produced by a force of 100 Newton in a mass of 50 kg. Let's solve this. Solution. Given data, mass is equal to 50 kg, F is equal to 100 Newton. We know F is equal to ma. This implies A is equal to F over m. Now putting values, we get A is equal to 100 over 50, or A is equal to 2 meter per second. A is equal to 2 meter per second. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos with friends. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Thank you.